You're gonna go downstairs, you're gonna get something set up on that $1,300, right? They'll tell you all your options. You get some kind of plan to work those towards closing, right? Then if you want to know where we've already approved community service, ask for that list. Sherelle?
Yes, looks like it's gonna be, I don't do the file there. And then the next one I have is Revick Spencer, is that how you say it?
Right.
Okay. Ma'am, just have a seat. We'll get you an adjourned date. Notice for 9/1. What's the last one? I'm sorry.
It's either
Spencer, first name Revel, show cause parental responsibility with Delvin.
you wrote it.
Spencer Moyle. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's even worse writing than mine.
Well, I can't even, he's got the first
Well,
name.
hold on. I just pulled the file, but it's fishing.
Yes, I got it. BL00169, so that may not
He
even be.
probably
No, there's probably more
there's
than
another Spencer on there, Marisha on a different case. I wonder if he.
Yeah, I've got Marissa Spencer Moyle. Who do you have?
It could be Revick, it could be not. It's like a person.
Revel or Emily.
That's my last name. First name is Emily.
Okay, that's what he's
There
got
we
here.
go.
Emily, and what's the last name?
Mills.
Revel. Yeah, it's probably the way.
That's probably why.
Alright.
I mean, I kind of know this, but.
Here, it's Revel's.
Find it.
Under R?
Oh,
Because
yeah. No, I'm sorry.
Watson, what's the first name?
Sherelle.
Thank you.
you guys pulled that one already.
And yet,
Yeah, I got that one, but I can't find Ravel Spencer.
Because what's your name hyphenated? What's the first part of it?
Mills.
I'm looking through the R's.
let me look at the other file.
Yes.
What time you scheduled?
It was 8:45.
Let me look through the judge.
Wow.
Because that's where, here it is, we need one file, but we'll take it.
Heather, you better talk to somebody downstairs.
And who did they really not get in front of it? Oh, that should have been her files.
All right. So let's talk about Miss Emily's file.
Good morning, yeah, please, you want to be 6+. Good morning, 649, I'm done appearing today. Minutes taken for 11, you do say with the record.
Thank you.
I think the resolution is matter responsible for the double parking ticket with responsibility, matter being dismissed, she's been advised in direction of that plea. Judge, she's been dealing with a domestic violence issue, which has been causing issues with the children's attendance. She's in a much more stable position
Good.
right now, so we're trending in the right direction. She doesn't want to come back. I don't blame her. She's
Yeah.
So that's
Yeah.
all it as such.
Yeah. How old are the kids?
4. I said this one's a 13, a 10-year-old, and a 4-year-old.
4-year-old, 10-year-old, and 13.
So the 10-year-old and the 13-year-old are on Belleville schools.
Mm-hmm.
4-year-old.
All right. Okay.
She's in a much better spot now, Your Honor, as it relates to the underlying issues that have caused this. She now has a PPO against the gentleman who's causing these issues.
Okay.
Everything is, again, much more stable. There have not been issues.
Good.
So we're hopeful that that is going to continue.
Good.
That said, she's also aware if there are issues, she's going to do what she has been doing, which is to reach out to the school with documentation.
Good.
So
Good.
she's on the ball, she's doing the best that she can.
Okay. All right. Are you working, ma'am?
Yeah.
Where do you work?
Yeah.
Full time?
Still gotta get my, stuff all the way together and like my transportation with issue right now. But when I'm able to do that, then I'll be able to.
You got a valid license? You just don't have good transportation? Okay.
Yes. I'm not found license. I don't know if there's an yes or not.
Okay. Well, not, certainly not for this. Yeah.
Yeah.
All right.
Got pulled over. Nobody said that my license was suspended.
Right. So, we're gonna get back to today's file, but before today's file, it looks as of May 15th, at least, you owed us $1,312 on other tickets. Have you been on a payment plan on that?
No, I need to address that. So I don't know how to.
Okay.
It's my first time.
You know, my question is, have you ever had a payment plan with us? Okay, are you in a position to commit to some kind of payment plan? Okay, weekly, bi-weekly, monthly, it doesn't matter to us. All right, so I want you to set something up before you leave.
Before that, like, one of the tickets I got, the guy said that something was like, I don't know what he said, like, if I was on the freeway or whatever, the officer was pulling over on the shoulder, and,
Yeah,
and I'm driving.
you failed to use due care and caution, probably.
It's not even possible because he was in his vehicle parked and they said I was speeding too. You didn't.
Okay, but let me stop you. The problem is, it's too late to argue it now, because it's a 2025 ticket. So civil infractions go on your record in default 14 days after they're issued, if we don't hear from you. All right. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to send you downstairs. We've got options on how you can close all this stuff out. It's money, payments, community service. We've got options. So I'm going to send you downstairs to have that conversation so you can find out what your options are, but you got to get them cleared up somehow. All right. So today's file for the double parking, I was going to do $200, or I wasn't even going to give you the option until you told me you had a 4-year-old. I was just going to tell you to do community service hours. So 10-year-old and 13-year-olds, those kids are old enough. If you get inventive, you can find someplace, some charity, go volunteer, and the kids think you're going for fun time for them. The 4-year-old makes it tougher, but I'll either do 200 and you can add it to the 13 you already owe, or I'll just tell you, go out and do 10 hours of community service, document it, give that to me by a certain date, and this file's closed. You want to do the hours? All right. So downstairs where you're going to talk about options on the $1,300, ask them for a list of community service. You don't have to work off our list, but if you work with our list, we know it's approved. Other than that, it's got to be a nonprofit registered with the IRS as a nonprofit, official letterhead from whoever you do the hours with, bring that into us by your due date. All right. So I'm thinking by the end of July should be plenty of time to get, what did I say, 10 hours? 10 hours?
That's specifically just for this or for all of them?
It's that can be part of the options you discuss on the 1,300, but for today's file, the impeding traffic, 10 hours of community service. Any questions?
You said this does or doesn't look points on our license?
This has nothing to do with your license. This is literally between you and me. Well, him too, I guess.
Oh, I remember the warrant on too, right?
Nope.
The clearance? No?
On this, there's nothing to clear.
I'm just saying. So I got-
The warrant, if you had a warrant on this file, it was cleared when you showed up today. All right. So let's recap. You're going to go downstairs. You're going to get something set up on that $1,300, right? They'll tell you all your options. You get some kind of plan to work those towards closing, right? Then if you want to know where we've already approved community service, ask for that list. All right. Good luck. Thank you, Council.
As Judge Oakley wrapped up another busy day in Romulus District Court, 2 final cases remained on the docket. The first involved Delvin Spencer, who appeared before the court for a show cause hearing connected to a parental responsibility matter. After a brief review, the judge decided the case needed more time and officially postponed it until September 1st. The final case of the day focused on a woman named Emily, whose legal troubles included a double parking ticket and a related domestic violence matter. Her attorney told the court that Emily had been working hard to turn her life around while raising 4 children and managing numerous responsibilities. Judge Oakley acknowledged her effort and confirmed that because she appeared in court as required, all active warrants associated with the case were cleared. However, the matter was not completely over. Emily was instructed to set up a payment plan for approximately $1,300 in court-related fees and was also directed to obtain a list of approved community service locations. With those final instructions delivered, Judge Oakley officially closed the day's docket, bringing the court session to an end.